angangidubu sida pokhalaga aina sigi hostess phagi bajiri gi meeting sine na ta iba press ta aga sisina kamal babu ina sumaina army gi kemte mang gi de na record to register tawna na ban namthan gi na ba na ngangi ba imo ta bu lakna ta na karem na to rei ba leiba nei ba chier se kana no
ana phone da kari I love you akoi laye su khangdang ai mana phone ji da I love you na ko
hello chinamam khonjari mam phogo MP Ningthau sana jauna Fongdorkpa hom hojik oiriba phibam communal loiba maitei amadi maitei pangal thoiba thogu asi chawbaga tombaga khanabani haidana khantoksi he haina Fongdorkpa hom sinamam anbada tamjirake haldi tamnasiko
ai na mayam lam hen ba sa ai koi walaksi aduga san hajarabda maitei pangal gi naha amaga maitei gi naha amaga babani khanabado Sabu tu mereka tu khana mana na hai seba, magani asu mana lu kau mana wayan si, kamu ni lain dia pesat kita tahu eba, masih mati amai thamui mayam sen khambi nak ni, ai MP oi dengan itu kisah ai sing tamgi, semaina nuksina bersenjata kami mana tu na, amu thamui si kai kita tahu, masih mentang di kau mayam na, kalau tahu macam dah, aku kamu ni lain pesat nama kena se masih aku sungkau tahu pun saya berjaya thamjaraga.
Aduga MP aku jam bimol, na Fongdorkpa from jiri ki hostess. Mi teruk amadi Kamal Babu mangkiba record to restart taunaba namsen khidanaba ngangiba aingondabu laknadana karimnadana tawrugliba leibak ningba CMC kanano haidana Fongdorkpa ngam tamyasiko
si poster se ma'am ningsang bi kubi hobo yaw se aina parliament mamang sumain pairaga tawrido Cinema nan hangkai no wangang da angang satel tau naga sumai naga tau naga kai ngangi side aina parliament luram dai do in khalle nungti gi thajal ba zero award ai race tau ge na hek hogo da gi thajal ko chance pangu da ba ahum lak lotri da yar ko da na adjournment tau ngam gi da ba amukhna speaker na sangdora ba Matangda ba Aigi matung da pisan ni bache na khalaga ai khalagda bagi aina pra cha kheba numitu ki thola kanda ini aigi staff sing da erga namu bosa namu ai kai gumba head house nang bo phangraba on the floor hai bo ngam dragadi outside the floor moina protest tawri se adani ki karigi ma'am to movie dana bosa pairaga mogi BJP su tawdro loiba numitati parliament house mamang da protest tawdai ne card ka paira adu angang laba Mana ji na taraga to mitil laga illiba parliament da phammi ba moge mayam na choba mayam dona pai ri duti angam na pai beraba adu pai raga angang ni dubu sida pokhalaga aina sigi hostess phagi bajiri gi meeting sine na ta iba press ta aga sisina kamal babu ina sumaina army gi kemte mang gi de na record to register tawna na ban namthan gi na ba na ngangi ba imo ta bu lakna ta na karem na to rei ba leiba nei ba chier se kana no si market adani gi kan to ri no sa iton ta le jari be MP amakhata chawnga ga ni fude mokta adani gi su pai na ai si pai ga chieli ne ba mu ama obra ba do ai gi to ham thokoi thong na tro do miyang na trai bu si to so tharai se mayam na tharai si wai si to tuminga le ga tham ga MP oi ga lei wona thagi bra na traga manu oi ga ma pang oi ga lei pa ki isu se malem pum ba da khang na ba mu ta ngang cho tau chon thari na trai bo adu da sidar ai ba mi Mabu illiba kangbu maru phangda punai sagi muthat paisa akoi lepa myam gi mathoi bang thoi em sima si ai jaram ge pikraba su pikna amuke do wi aina ko chen chelaga ai ga tinaba sakchu mana ba haitare ne Nagaland ki MP du da pahali dis suwana ai wonda utang mateng kita pangula on hi ai wonda ki senior ni party ki president ni Nagaland ki Kam harau rau ya na tunan lei ba bro kai no da ai khoi mamang da mi gi Achilles wa gi kambu su mo gi UP gi hatha gi incident gi kari gi tawra ga pai ga lepe ba Sabki miso mamampal ka presa ngangin ne baday da miyam sa ba manato na mamamit kuba MP ani na lipa ka ngangin mo lak na ba mi ba mayang ay di kami pa ato mo baduna le pa kilo sing mo oy na ngasi koy kang khong sai di ni hay ba sa mayang ka no ba
adugo yam angakpa thodok lambi maida community hall sajilambadagi JCB sijinaduna thugaigre hari mafam ase nongpok ingkol hata dani hari mayam video si yemnasi ko adugo yam nuai taba jiribam boro bekra relief camp ta leiba Maheiroi Singna Lairik tamba Phangdorkpa haiduna Fongdorkpa wafam sinamam tamna siko
police station da Leiba police ke manung dani akoi sadra yo tuna 13 thoki manung da le ko huju bo Lairik tamba Phangdri mi ate school da di mission loin hamna ka le koi di huju bu mission tau bu ju phangde Lairik tamba ju phangde koi le su le te le su loi cha ka le du ka me ti thadru ba koi mari su le koi ju bu koi akoi bu su moi na ke le tuna yang bide moi na koi da han yang bide me ti thadu ba angang sing ji kamai tau ni moi ki punchi lambi sembi sira sembi ro sira se moi je kaim khandi de duna koi bu sidagi puthok piu akoi bu Lairik tamba Phangdorkpa
ngang ji sidagi sugyam bangang train thoi tara hum dai ji punchi ji sung mangal ladra hari leina bu sing mangang ji bu makham sidagi puthok pina ba ko na bi ha dina hai jari aduna ngang hi je mission tawba matam la le mission je tawbina bagi hajari aduna ngang hi smana chum akoi lilike manung da lei jare leiri aduna ngang hi puthona ba akoi mayam hajari ngang hi puthoga la ju tamna ba
akoi bu Lairik tamba Phangdorkpa akoi bu Lairik tamba Phangdorkpa akoi bu Lairik tamba Phangdorkpa
aduga Q&A Noida sector 1.3 online telephonic scam asida cheneriba Yungnam Kennedy leifam Yungnam Hoidrom da leiba mioi asigi apokpi Yungnam Chauba Debi KCP PWG da changjak tuna miram da leiriba machanopa Yungnam Kennedy bu numit humni gi manungda miram dagi kauthok tuna investigation asigi asengba langla langjin puthokpada mateng pangnaba machabu lupta sinagani haiba wafam asi media ge khutangda thamjarakpa mayam tamnasigo
social media da yamna kanna viral chaliba unit Noida sector 143 online telephonic scam asibu kupna tijenbiriba Kangleipa Communist Party People War Group KCP PWG gi makha tarakpa report oina scam asida lei chenariba Yungnam Kennedy Yungnam Hoidrom da leiba mioi asigi apokpi Yungnam Chauba Debi aihangna isana yana lup asida sanjaratuna miram da leiba isanupa asibu numit humni gi manungda miram dagi kautoktuna lup asida sinazaragani haiba wafam ase media gi kuthangda haijari
aduga Q&A Noida sector 143 da Chanaruba Angom John gi Mamana Fongdorkpa wafam Kiranbalagi Matangda sinamyam tamnasiko
giri ta e ngangse hujiki nupise maming bhaw ai paloiba nupise giri ta e ta ibadi kamaina ta ibai da nang thuna la o nang gi mahut min changkharani sine
ima ga dik yara kumba pau phauna gi direct oina
phone da wan ba matam sida man haye e mama ai ne
ꯇꯥꯖꯣꯟꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯂꯩꯌꯦ ꯈꯣꯠꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯦꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯃꯥ ꯊꯥꯔꯛꯑꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯁꯨꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯗꯧ ꯁꯔꯨꯛꯇꯤ ꯑꯥꯗ ꯁꯦꯟ ꯇꯥꯟꯕꯅ ꯐꯠꯇꯔꯣ ꯈꯣꯠꯇꯔꯣ ꯍꯌꯦ ꯏꯕꯦꯝꯃ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯏꯆꯥꯁꯨ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯃꯉꯥꯏ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯃꯇꯣꯝꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯏꯆꯥꯗꯣ ꯂꯝ ꯑꯊꯥꯞꯄꯗ ꯊꯥꯅꯤꯡꯗꯦ ꯃꯥ ꯐꯔꯁꯨ ꯐꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯨ ꯃꯥ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯥ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯨꯝꯃꯦ ꯃꯥ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯧ ꯃꯥꯟꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯦ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯔꯣꯏ ꯃꯃꯥ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯔꯣꯏ ꯇꯥꯖꯣꯟꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯄꯨꯡꯁꯤꯟ ꯁꯤꯟꯅꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯩ ꯐꯅꯕ ꯁꯦꯝꯖꯔꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯑꯗꯩꯗꯤ ꯆꯪꯉꯅꯤꯅ ꯆꯪꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯆꯪꯈꯤ ꯀꯥꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯏꯕꯨꯡꯉꯣ ꯅꯪ ꯌꯧꯔꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯈꯣꯡꯉꯩ ꯀꯞꯃꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯌꯦ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯑꯩ ꯌꯧꯔꯦ ꯅꯪ ꯏꯌꯥꯔꯄꯣꯔꯠꯇ ꯃꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯥꯏꯔꯝꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯅꯪ ꯉꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯝꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯏꯕꯨ ꯉꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯝꯗꯦꯌꯦ
ꯏꯃꯥ ꯃꯔꯛ ꯊꯠꯅꯀꯣ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯖꯣꯟꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯤꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯥꯛꯄ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯂꯤꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯚ꯭ꯌꯨꯗ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯚ꯭ꯌꯨꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯏꯃꯥꯅ ꯃꯥ ꯌꯧꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯤꯒꯗꯤ ꯏꯃꯥꯒ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯐꯥꯎꯅꯈꯤꯕ ꯂꯩꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯖꯣꯟ ꯌꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯅꯣꯏꯗꯥꯗ
ꯂꯩꯌꯦ ꯏꯕꯨꯡꯉꯣ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯣ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯗꯣ ꯂꯩꯔꯗꯤ ꯐꯣꯟꯗꯣ ꯄꯥꯏꯍꯜꯂꯛꯑꯣ ꯍꯌꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯐꯣꯟ ꯇꯧꯅꯔꯦ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯗ ꯃꯃꯥ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯈꯟꯒꯅꯣ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯦ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯇꯥꯖꯣꯟꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯦ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯐꯪꯉꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯅ ꯂꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯃꯥ ꯅꯪꯁꯨ ꯂꯧꯔꯒ ꯇꯥꯖꯣꯟꯒ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯍꯟꯗꯧꯔꯤꯅꯦ ꯀꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯦꯕ ꯃꯥꯁꯤꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅꯕꯨ ꯊꯥꯖꯔꯨꯔꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯗ
ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯖꯣꯟꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯦꯡꯕ ꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯤꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯨꯁꯝ ꯀꯤꯔꯟꯕꯂꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯁꯦ ꯉꯔꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯊ꯭ꯔꯨꯗ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯡꯗꯣꯛ ꯋꯥꯔꯣꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯖꯣꯟꯗ ꯆꯥꯔꯖ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯌꯨ ꯊꯛꯏ ꯉꯥꯎꯁꯟꯅꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯥꯒ ꯑꯩꯒ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅꯕ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯆꯥꯔꯖ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯏꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯏꯃꯥꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯆꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯐꯥꯎꯅꯩ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯆꯪꯉꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯐꯥꯎꯅꯩ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯖꯣꯟꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯟꯅꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯏꯃꯥꯅ ꯄꯜꯂꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯉꯔꯥꯡ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯖꯣꯜꯗ ꯆꯥꯔꯖ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤda imana kari kari khangbano kari haining imana hariba mayam
oh mana hariba wahaido mana haiba yarani mabu sumaina media da sandok ledana ma haijilakpane aina khange aigi ichaje pange adu kai mana yu thae hariba se aina yam chawninge yu thae hoi thamba yai ko yu yolaga nu pana ha kaujelaga yu pi thak thambra ba ma ai adu made ai yaning de ba ai chawninge ba leirani haire mana leminari ni kamaina tawni madi yum jo bhara leitabane na adu de aigi yum lei ai ka chauna lawraga thambane akoi punna leminani aigi inaw nu pa man lei heye mana haiba mai manaw ni pa jinu kana noida uchi wai bra saji wai bra adugi macha do mai manaw ne na aduga leminara meba mai je
hoi aduga imam mana amuk hairakpada ngasai zonje yu thakpa khatana tana aiga nungsinabay wari sanaba laigide hainai mayam mayek sengna mana ngarang thamakpase imana khangbada ngasai haibadadi aingonda sinabiro khonabiro kaina imada hairam hai adu imana khangbabo haibiro ne sinadi haibusi
karigi ma adu haibado ma minam bangang gano yo ma banto jila kayagi singtha en adu bangang kano ingonda ayade mana phone da kari I love you akhoi laye su khangdangai manu phone ji da I love you na kawbuti karigino hayeng ji chatlani ai kumba chi da ne ma che hayeng ji chatlani ai kumba chi da injang lai ro morok lai ro nga yai ba lai ro de choipum lai ro lai re ko lai ro akhoi chem chare adai dai na nungai ta da na na che singna long kholubagi ngakchau gumba ngamu gumba leibase masi jo nang tawro moije cha phangjadabane akoi gi sigi nga sidi phangdabane na nang masi madi tawthoklo andaraga puro na nga je chi yamna tawbire tawraga adudane photo namago utlubadane I love you he ite mana adu gumba thok thak tu de akoi tawning deba taibang mi oire de akoi chum na chatna jeba aigi pauje laibabu manipur jida koi maitai macha ngaktane asigumba thabakti matung manawda so icha oibi ibema nangna su tawir anu adudagi lairiba parja punamakchu aigi icha apangbagumna pangba yawi ruragano mina themakpada yabi ruragano asimade ai haijaninge
aduga ichal lisipriya hangujam kerala da international children Summit on Zero Waste Management opening ceremony da speech speak bi chali shipra dagi tamnasi sinamyam
and the honor of a big heart who has donated rupees 1 lakh to the government of Kerala to support victim children of Kerala massive flood in 2018. I wholeheartedly invite Ms. Lissy Priya Hangjum to deliver the keynote address.
Kurumjari Namaste. My name is Lissy Priya Hangjum. I am 13 years old Indian climate activist and the founder of the Child Movement. I'm also the special envoy for the President of Timor-Leste. And I'm happy to share with you all that I'm the youngest diplomat in the history of the world to be officially working in a government. You see, it's really emotional for me to be present here today in Kerala. Because my journey, my activism journey, started after the Kerala floods and the cyclones in Odisha in 2018. I donated rupees 1 lakh to the Chief Minister of Kerala with the received relief funds to help the women and children of Kerala in 2018. Because as you all might know, Kerala is a very disaster-prone area. And the floods, as a child, I was really sad to see how the people, how the women and children were suffering in the front lines. So I felt I had to do something. And I did my best from my side. I would also like to thank the Kerala government for organizing, for hosting such a great event, International Children's Summit on the Zero Waste Management. Today, I would like to talk just a few things. In 2022, I started an initiative called Plastic Money Shop. So you see, in Plastic Money Shop, people bring single-use plastic waste from their homes and can take free rice, stationery item or a plant sapling. So it's kind of like a barter system. It's like in exchange for the single-use plastic waste that the people give, they can take either of these three options, which is 2 kg free rice, plant sapling or a stationery item. And after collecting all those single-use plastic waste, I again recycle them, upcycle them, you can see it, into school benches, desks, house roof sheets, road tiles, etc. So the mission of this project is to eliminate every single-use plastic from our planet. And also, this initiative of mine, this project of mine, Plastic Money Shop, also stops single-use plastic waste from reaching the oceans, rivers, seas, landfills, etc. Such initiative can also be implemented by the government of Kerala, for example, and the local authorities in a large scale. And imagine the impact that we would have. So, Plastic Money Shop has been appreciated by many people around the world and also has been taken up in many parts of India and many parts of the world. It has also won a lot of awards such as Anthem Award of USA and the Young Eco Hero Award. And also, what I would like to say is that it also teaches people about the harmful effects of plastic on our planet, on our mother nature, on our environment. It raises awareness to the people, to the children, about the global plastic pollution. As you know, it has become such a big problem. So let me ask you one question. Do you guys think plastic is a good product or a bad product? Bad? Yes? I can't hear you. Good or bad? Bad. But let me tell you that plastic is actually a really good product. part of our life. You have to agree. It makes our life easier, isn't it? It does, right? But see, because of human nature, human behavior, the government also has to ban the plastic now. You know, we have to even do sessions, this kind of event on the waste management, on the zero waste management. So it's because of human beings, even the climate change that we're facing today, even right now. So the first step that I always say to everybody, to all of you today, is that to save our planet, the first step that we need to take is to change our behavior. So let's change our behavior, should we? Yes? That's the spirit. Let me tell you one story. In June 2022, I went to Taj Mahal. You all must be knowing the iconic monument, right? One of the 7 wonders of the world, the Taj Mahal, the great Taj Mahal. I went there, I visited there, and I was shocked. I was shocked to see the piles of garbage, piles of plastic surrounding this great iconic monument. All the plastic pollution surrounding the Taj Mahal. I was really shocked. And what I did next was, I took a placard and I wrote, "Behind the beauty of Taj Mahal is plastic pollution." The picture gone viral in social media, and within 24 hours, within the next day, all the plastic pollution around the Taj Mahal was cleaned the next day. And also the authority was fined ₹1 lakh. They deserved it, So you see, this proves that our voice matters. Isn't that correct? Our voice matters. And many people come up to me and they say that you are too young. You're too young for your age to do such activism. You should go to your school. You should read the books. You should do your homework. This is what they always say to me in our journey. But I always say to them that age doesn't matter to make a difference. And big or small, it doesn't matter. I'm a girl child who strongly believes that every child, every one of you present here today can lead the change. One thing more that I would like to say is that social media, I use it as a very powerful tool. And just like the example of the difference that I've made in Taj Mahal, you can as well. In not just related to environment, but in various range of issues. Just like I do, you can also use social media as a very powerful tool to raise your voice, to raise your concerns about any kind of issue. So you can do that, you can use social media as a very powerful tool. And one thing I would like to add is that all our little things can make a huge difference. Isn't that correct? Yes? My generation, us, is already the victims of today's global climate crisis. And I don't want my future generations to face the same consequences again because of the inaction and empty false promises. So let's take concrete climate action now. Should we? Should we take the immediate climate action now? Change our behavior? Okay, so let's keep up the spirit. I would like to end it here. Thank you so much.
Chana mam, yang bideko. Hojik madam se, kari hai gudana khangre, aduna ichana mam, yamna section minasi. aduga video si aswaisida tension amo hona jarage aduga soengam jawro suichna mam akpi gani adi matangda mu soidana thengna jarsi matang asida kaina minarasi